Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be sharing list of best books and free sources which will help you to qualify UGC NET in English literature. For British history, you can refer to a book by David Duchess. It's a scholarly and an authentic book, but this book is too long and it's difficult to digest. It contains lot of information and analysis. You can have a selective reading of this book for a detailed understanding of British history. There is also another book by William J. Long. I personally recommend this book for NET aspirants because this is a short one and it's easy to understand. This contains important events, writers, and works. You can answer most of the questions on British history in NET exam by reading this book. There is also a NPTEL lecture by Professor Merin Semiraj on the history of English language and literature. You can refer to this. For literary theory, you should read a book by Pramod K. Nair or by a Peter Berry. If you have sufficient time, you can read both these books. You should focus on theorist terms and works written by theorists in a chronological order. For a detailed understanding of literary theory, you should refer to this NPTEL lecture by Professor Sahitya Chattopadhyay. These lectures will help you to understand literary theory in a simple manner. For literary terms and movements, you can refer to a book by M.H. Abrams, that is a glossary of literary terms, or you can also refer to literary terms and literary theory by Penguin Reference Library. For Indian English literature, you should read a book by M.K. Nayak. For language and pedagogy, you should read the book by C.L. Wren, that is the English language. For cultural studies, refer to a book by Pramod K. Nair, that is an introduction to cultural studies. In this book, you should focus on theorists, their works, and terms coined by theorists, and major events related to cultural studies. For criticism, you can rely on a NPTEL lecture by Professor Merin Semiraj, that is literary criticism from Plato to Lewis. Read from these sources, reread the concepts which you do not understand, keep revising and solve previous year questions. Analyze these previous year questions and again keep revising. These things will help you to qualify UGC NET exam. Thank you, and again we will meet in the next video.